live from Coral Gables for their Centennial celebration. LunaLite Drone Show Technologies is here. We're so excited. We're elated. Get ready.
Drone show was amazing. I've never seen it in my life. That was the first time I've ever witnessed something like that.
I thought it was really, really cool. It's very unique.
Thank you to LunaLite.
Thank you to LunaLite.
Thank you, LunaLite. Thank you, LunaLite.
Happy 4th of July and thank you to LunaLite.